Zebras have stripes, leopards have spots, tigers have stripes. But why do zebras have stripes? It's not for camouflage, nor is it to intimidate or attract mates. It's actually to confuse their predators. See, zebras live in groups. Since they all look alike, their predators need to be able to tell them apart. But it's hard to pick out details when you're in the middle of a herd. Zebras are striped so that the predator's eyes will be tricked by an optical illusion. When zebras are far away from predators, their stripes appear to move. This makes it difficult for predators to judge how fast they are rerunning and how far away they are. But scientists recently discovered that zebra stripes also confuse their predators in another way. Researchers at the University of Bristol and the University of California set up a zebra spotting contest with 12 human subjects, half of whom were experts in animal vision. The scientists showed each contestant 2 photographs of zebras, one with a real background and one with a fake background. They asked them to spot the fake one, which was altered to remove some of the zebra's stripes. The researchers hypothesized that because predators rely on their visual systems to chase down prey, they've evolved to quickly identify the defining characteristics of animals they hunt. So if a photo of a zebra was presented with a cheetah expert would be quicker to spot the fake image. But to their surprise, the experts were no better at spotting the fake images than the non-experts. What gives? Well, when they tested the cheetahs themselves, they found that cheetahs don't rely on sight to hunt zebras. Even though zebras' main predator is the cheetah, they don't chase them. Instead, they stalk them and use their incredible speed to get close enough to pounce. At the last minute, they disorient their prey by changing direction just before they leap, and then land squarely on top of their unsuspecting victim. Turns out, cheetahs rely more on their sense of hearing to find zebras, and only use their vision to confirm that what they are chasing is, in fact, a zebra. But if zebras' stripes are meant to confuse predators, why aren't other animals that hunt zebras, like lions, also fooled by them? Well, there are several reasons. First of all, lions typically hunt in groups, making it easier to isolate one zebra from the herd. And even though lions rely primarily on their sense of sight, their eyes are adapted to see clearly in low-light conditions. Unlike the cheetahs, who are mostly active during the day, that means a lion can sneak up on a zebra without being seen. And finally, lions and zebras have co-evolved. Lions have learned to recognize zebras' defining features despite their stripes, while cheetahs haven't. In other words, zebras' stripes might actually be an advertisement rather than an illusion. Just like the spots on a leopard or the stripes on a tiger, they advertise their identity to potential predators. And since lions and cheetahs hunt differently, they're affected by the stripes differently. Lions are ambush predators, so they rely on stealth and getting close to their prey before striking. Cheetahs, on the other hand, are not very stealthy and rely instead on their speed. So the stripes help to throw off their chase. So next time you see a zebra, remember, those stripes aren't just for show, or an example of an animal using evolution to its advantage. If you liked learning about zebras' super confusing stripes, you can learn more about some of our other favorite animals by clicking here. All the videos there are made by independent creators just like us and are a ton of fun to watch. So click away if you're looking for something new to watch. Thanks for watching.